guys, it's Robert TallguysRC coming at you at the YouTube network. I thought I would do kind of a different video here. I'm gonna shoot a video with my GoPro Hero 7 attached to my DJI Mavic Pro. See a picture here of the setup. My DJI Mavic Pro at 2.7K only shoots at 30 frames per second, but my GoPro Hero 7 can shoot at 2.7K 60, which should make for better quality video when flying my drone. So let's stop all the talking here and shoot some video with the GoPro Hero 7 2.7K 60 attached to the DJI Mavic Pro. Okay guys, so I took the DJI Mavic Pro up with the GoPro and just flew around to shoot some video. Before I was shooting on my GoPro 2.7K 60 because my Mavic only shoots 2.7K 30. It's going to be interesting to see how steady the video is. I am using the GoPro Hero 7 2.7K 60. Tell me what you guys think. Thanks for watching the video. Please do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to my channel, give my page a thumbs up. For those of you on cell phones, please hit the little bell notification so you will be notified when new videos are uploaded. Time for dinner. Peace.